Tooltips are one of the most important elements when you go on to the web page. And what is a tooltip? Let me give you a very basic example. But before I do that, welcome back to the module 29th of the Bootstrap Coding with me. In this module, we will be understanding what is the concept of tooltip, and we will see how tooltips help create more fancy web pages. Have you ever seen a link on a particular web page which could be any text, and when you just hover over your mouse, you just bring your mouse or your cursor towards that particular link, it makes the small text appear on the click or on the hover of that particular link. That is basically a tooltip. Tooltips are widely used on the web pages to give more information to the user before the user clicks on that button or that particular link. So let's not delay and look at the practical applications of tooltips. Now in this code, students, which we have written for the tooltips, I am very sure now that the code line number 4 to line number 10 is very much clear. It is just a code to tell the system that you are using Bootstrap. But the most important thing that we need to focus here is that in case you want to create a tooltip, make sure you use the concept or you use the attribute data toggle, and in the data toggle you use the tooltip. This is very important, and you can see I have not created only one tooltips, I have created so many tooltips. So inside this heading tag, I have got another anchor tag in which I have used the data toggle as tooltip. As I explained here, I have told where the data should be there. So let's say this is the link. If we give the data placement as top, that means the hover will be on the top. You can also do bottom, right or left. And then what should happen? As soon as you just hover your mouse on this, it should actually show you Michael, Tim, Jenny, Glol on the hover of these particular links. And this does not work on its own. Why? Because we need to write down a function inside the script. A function is written using a dollar, and in this dollar we will give document.ready function. We will give data toggle tooltip. So this code is a must tool to have if you are using the toggle. So let me do one thing now. Let me just refresh this, save this page and basically refresh the, or basically open the HTML file. Wow, here you go. So what I'm going to do now is open this side by side. So can you see in this case a heading, students? So this heading has come because we are using the example over here. We are getting this text paragraph which is here, and all these links that we've got top, bottom, left, whatever text we write here is appearing here. However, if we look at the functionalities now, and if we hover our mouse on this, can you see Michael? You can see Tim, you can see Jenny, and you got Glol. And do you see the positions of this? This one is top because we are using top. This one is bottom because we are using bottom. This one is left and this one is right because we are using the directions accordingly. So I hope this small module has given you a fair understanding of how your tooltips can be created. Please do not wait before you move on to the next module. Please make sure you have written the same code, tested it, tried it, and then we must say you are ready for the next module. Enjoy Bootstrap coding. Take care and goodbye.